my baby back. They did a hell of a job with the repairs. Shout out to Gerber Collision and Paint out of McDonough, Georgia. Outstanding job. Got my baby back right from my accident. Somebody rear-ended me. But now we back in the game. Back in the game. She looking good, boy. We got that quarter panel back. She's looking right. Nice clean look. Nice paint job put on it. Just gotta put my tints back on my tail lights. Complete it out. Y'all trying to get y'all RT a little bit faster. Get them 0 to 60 times down. That's who y'all need to call right there. Call them guys, baby. Google them. They'll hook you up. I'm telling you, this motherfucker fast as fuck right now with a 5.7 liter in it, baby.